Supercharge your Seagate Wireless HDD to SSD Upgrade Guide. Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Your Techie Bear. Today, we're taking on a fun and super practical upgrade that many of you might be interested in. If you own a Seagate Wireless external hard drive, like this one right here, you know how convenient it is. But let's be honest, the spinning hard drive inside can be a bit slow. Well, what if I told you we could give this amazing device a serious speed boost by swapping out that old HDD for a super fast SSD? That's right. Today, we're upgrading a Seagate Wireless to an SSD, and I'll walk you through every step of the process. Let's dive in. What you'll need. Before we crack this thing open, let's go over the tools and components you'll need for this upgrade. Don't worry, it's nothing too exotic. First up, obviously, you'll need your Seagate Wireless external hard drive. Mine is Seagate Wireless. Next, the star of the show, a 2.5-inch SATA SSD. Make sure it's the same capacity or larger than your original hard drive, especially if you plan on cloning your data. I'm using a mentioned brand and size of your SSD. You'll also need some small electronic screwdrivers, typically a Phillips head, maybe a small flathead or spudger for prying. A plastic prying tool or guitar pick can be very helpful to open the case without damaging it. Optional, but highly recommended, an external SATA to USB adapter if you want to clone your old drive's data, or if you need to initialize your new SSD. And finally, a clean, well-lit workspace. Got all that? Great! Let's get started with the disassembly. Step 1, opening the case. This is usually the trickiest part, as these cases are often designed to be difficult to open. Be patient and take your time. Look for a seam around the edge of the device. We're going to use our plastic prying tool to carefully work our way around and release the internal clips. Start at one corner and gently apply pressure, listening for those little clicks as the clips release. Don't force it, or you might break the plastic tabs. Once you've worked your way around, the top cover should lift off, revealing the internal components. Step 2, disconnecting the old HDD. Now that the case is open, you should see the 2.5-inch hard drive nestled inside. It's usually held in place by a bracket or some screws. Using your small Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove any screws securing the hard drive in its bay. There are usually 2 or 4. Once the screws are out, gently lift the hard drive. It will still be connected by the SATA data and power cable. Carefully pull the drive straight back from the connector to disconnect it. And there it is, the old hard drive, out of its enclosure. Step 3, installing the new SSD. Time for the upgrade. Grab your shiny new SSD. Align the SATA data and power connector on the SSD with the cable inside the Seagate enclosure. Gently push it in until it's firmly seated. Now, place the SSD back into the drive bay and reinsert the screws to secure it. Make sure it's snug and doesn't wobble. Step 4, reassembling the case. With the new SSD in place, it's time to close everything up. Carefully align the top cover with the bottom part of the enclosure. Gently press down around the edges until you hear the clip snap back into place. Ensure there are no gaps and the case is securely closed. And just like that, the physical upgrade is complete. Step 5, initializing and formatting the SSD. Now, your Seagate Wireless has a brand new SSD, but it's probably unformatted. You'll need to initialize and format it using your computer. Windows, plug in your Seagate Wireless. Go to Disk Management by right-clicking this PC Manage Disk Management. You'll see your new drive listed as unallocated space. Right-click it, select Initialize Disk, choose GPT, then right-click again and select New Simple Volume to format it. Follow the prompts, give it a name, and choose your file system, NTFS for Windows, exFAT for cross-platform compatibility. Mac OS, plug in your Seagate Wireless. Open Disk Utility from Applications Utilities. Select your new drive on the left. Click Erase, give it a name, choose exFAT for format into GUID partition map for scheme. Then click Erase. Once that's done, your Seagate Wireless is ready to use with its blazing fast SSD. Step 6. Connecting to iPhone and verifying. Now that our SSD is installed and the drive is reassembled, let's fire it up and verify that it's connecting correctly to an iPhone. This is, after all, a wireless hard drive, and that's where the real magic happens. First, power on your Seagate Wireless drive. Give it a moment to boot up and create its Wi-Fi network. You'll typically see a Wi-Fi indicator light come on or blink. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. You should see a new network appear, usually starting with Seagate Wireless or something similar. Select it to connect. Once connected, open the Seagate Media app. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. The app should automatically detect your Seagate Wireless drive. And there it is. You should now see your drive storage, and if you've copied any files onto the SSD already, they'll be accessible. This confirms that our SSD upgrade was successful and the wireless functionality is working perfectly. With that successful connection, your Seagate Wireless with its new SSD is ready to stream media, share files, and be your portable media hub, now with the added speed and durability of solid-state storage. Conclusion. And there you have it. A successful HDD to SSD upgrade for the Seagate Wireless external hard drive. This simple modification can breathe new life into an already fantastic device, making it even better for streaming, file sharing, and all your wireless storage needs. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech upgrades and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you've done this upgrade or plan to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.